Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I would like to do today, guys, is show you how to create this fire in a hand effect within Adobe Photoshop. A really simple step-by-step process that you need to follow, but as you can see, a really powerful, impactful image that you could use, particularly on movie posters or magazine covers, a wide range of genre content, genre styles that you could implement into your graphic design career. And the question should be, is Jack, how do we do it? That's why I'm here today, to show you the process. Okay, so what I'll do now is get rid of the original top images layers there, for instance, and we start afresh. So I have the base layer, the base image, and what I need to do first of all is duplicate that whole layer. The shortcut to do that on a Mac is Command J, on Windows is Control J. Now with that top layer, I'm going to use my object selection tool, and I'm just going to make a selection like this over the hand, and the AI of artificial, so the AI of Adobe Photoshop should work that out. As you can see, it has. Now with that selection still live and the top layer highlighted, I'm going to apply a layer mask to it. Wonderful. Okay, so now what we need to do is find our fire. What I did is downloaded 2 images from Google prior to this tutorial. So if I go File, Place Embedded, I have this one here and this one here. We're going to start off with this image first of all, and we're going to say Place. Using the shortcut again, Shift and Option or Alt. I'm going to resize like so. I'm just going to get rid of that bottom bit there. So using my marquee tool, just going to come through here, make a selection. I'd need to rasterize the layer first of all, and just simply press backspace to remove that little section there, like so. And let's deselect, Command D on Mac or Control D on Windows. Okay, so with this particular image now of the fire, what I would need to do is apply a blending mode to it. The blending mode I would like to apply is screen. Let's take this now here. Position that there, let's say. I'm just going to press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to get our free transform options open, and just resize that to a point where it suits. Positioning there. Okay. I would like to replace another fire, so I'm going to follow the same process. We're just going to go File, Place Embedded, and Place. Okay. With this layer, yet again, I'm just going to simply come through and affect the blending mode to screen. And we're going to press Command T on Mac or Control T on Windows to get our free transform options, and press Option or Alt to resize from the center point there. Okay, let's put you about there, let's say. Lovely. Just going to swap those layers around to get the effect arrangement better. And I just want to affect this a little bit here. So to that layer now, what I'm going to do is apply a layer mask to the top layer here. And I'm just going to use my brush tool, use the color black. Make sure I'm using a soft round brush. Just going to come through, probably lowering that a little bit there. Just come through and just lightly touch that in there a little bit, just to give it a sense of realism there. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create the fire in the hand effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, you can take a look at our social media accounts on Instagram at Blue Sky Graphics UK for some really interesting information and really interesting designs. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.